Om Shri Paramatmane Namaha. Learning Sanskrit and Gita together. Gita Bhyase 8-11 Yadaksharam Vedavido Vadanti. Yadaksharam Vedavido Vadanti. Padachedai Yat Aksharam Vedavidaha Vadanti. Vishanti Yadyatayo Vitaragaha. Padachedai Vishanti Yat Yatayaha Vitaragaha. Yadichanto brahmacharyam charanti. Padachede yat icchantah brahmacharyam charanti. Tatte padam sangrahena pravekshe. Tatte padam sangrahena pravakshe. Vakyamshashah vishleshanam. Vedavidaha yat padam aksharam vadanti. Vitaragaha yatayaha yat padam vishanti. Yat padam icchantah वीतरागाः यतयः ब्रह्मचर्यं चरन्ति. अहं तत्पदं ते संग्रहेण प्रवक्षे. The conjunctive pronoun yat in 1a, 1b, 1c corresponds with tat in 1e here. By corollary, the word padam in 1e is implicit in 1a, 1b, 1c, whereas Vedavidaha is Kartrupadiyaha of Vadanti. Here, Vedavidaha, Vadanti. Then Vitaragaha Yatayaha of Vishanti in 1b. Vitaragaha Yatayaha along with the phrase Yat Padam Icchantaha are Kartrupadiyaha of Charanti in 1d. Basically, Yat Padam Icchantaha is a subject phrase of Charanti. The verb pravakshe in 1d, 1e is dvikarmaka, having tat padam as padarthavachakam karma with dvitiya, te as vyaktivachakam karma with chaturthi. Because pravakshe has uttam purushaha ekvachanam, aham is the kartrupadiya. Shabdabhyasa. Vedavidaha yat padam aksharam vadanti. Vedavidaha. Vedavid Visheshanam. Atra pullingam prathama bahuvachanam. Vedan vetti iti vedavid. Upapat tatpurusha. Vedan. Veda. Pullingam dvitiya bahuvachanam. Veda the Vedas. Vetti. Vid dhatoho. Lat prathama purushaha ekvachanam. Vid vidang jnane. To understand, to learn, to know, to realize, to experience, to meditate, to think. Adadihi dvitiyaganiyaha parasmepadi sakarmakaha set. Yat sarvanama atra napusakalingam dvitiya ekvachanam. Padam pada napusakalingam dvitiya ekvachanam. Aksharam akshara visheshanam atra napusakalingam dvitiya ekvachanam. Naksharaha yasya tat aksharam. Ksharaha kshara visheshanam atra pullingam prathama ekvachanam. Kshara adjective ksharati syandate munchati va. Kshar ach melting away, movable, perishable. Vadanti vad lat lakara prathama purushaha bahuvachanam. Vad vadang vyaktayam vachi. To talk, to speak, to tell, to describe, to inform, to explain, to utter, to communicate. Bhadihi प्रथमगणीयः परस्मैपदी सकर्मकः सेट्. वीतरागाः यतयः यत्पदं विशन्ति. वीतरागाः वीतराग विशेषणम् अत्र पुल्लिङ्गं प्रथमा बहुवचनं. वीताः रागाः यस्मात् सः वीतरागः बहुव्रीहि. वीताः वी वि प्लस इ धातोः क्तविशेषणं वीत अत्र पुल्लिङ्गं प्रथमा बहुवचनं रागाः राग पुल्लिङ्गं प्रथमा बहुवचनं रागः रञ्ज भावे घञ् निरुक्तं न लोपकुत्वे. There are many different meanings. Feeling, raga, emotion, sympathy, interest, joy, pleasure, anger, wrath, loveliness, beauty, regret, sorrow, greediness, envy. The quality called rajas. Vitaraga, one who is free of disturbances and distractions due to emotions. Yatayah, yati, visheshanam, atra pullingam prathama bahuvachanam. In Aptech dictionary, there are 3 words. Yati, pronoun, pronominal adjective. Vad parimane ati, declined only in plural. Nominative accusative, yati. As many, as often, how many. Yati. Yati, feminine. Yam, thin, restraint, check, control. Yatin, masculine, an ascetic. Here, meaning 3, that is an ascetic, is appropriate. But Pullingam Prathama Bahuvachanam of Yatin would be Yatinha. All in all, Yatayaha as Yati Pullingam Prathama Bahuvachanam seems to be Arsha Rupam. Vishanti. Vish Lat Lakaraha Prathama Purusha Bahuvachanam. Vish Vishang Praveshane to enter. Tudadi Shashthaganiyaha Parasmaipadi. Sakarmakaha Anit. Yat Padam Ichhantaha वीतरागाः यतयः ब्रह्मचर्यं चरन्ति. इच्छन्तः इष् धातोः शत्रुविशेषणम् इच्छत्. अत्र पुल्लिङ्गं प्रथमा बहुवचनम्. इष् इषुङ् इच्छायां. टू विश, टू डिजायर, टू वांट. तुदादिः षष्ठगणीयः परस्मैपदी. सकर्मकः सेट. ब्रह्मचर्यं ब्रह्मचर्य नपुंसकलिङ्गं द्वितीया एकवचनं. ब्रह्मणः चर्यम् इति ब्रह्मचर्यं. ब्रह्मणः ब्रह्मन् नपुंसकलिङ्गं षष्ठी एकवचनं. ब्रह्मन् नॉइटर. बृह मनिन् नकारस्य अकारे ऋतो रत्वम्. This is unadi. The supreme being, regarded as impersonal and divested of all quality and action. According to the Vedantins, Brahman is both the efficient and the material cause of the visible universe, the all-pervading soul and spirit of the universe, the essence from which all created things are produced and into which they are absorbed. Different quotations are given. Charyam, charya, नपुंसकलिंगम प्रथमा द्वितीया वा एकवचनम. चर धातोः ण्यत् विशेषणं चर्य. चर्य एडजेक्टिव. चर कर्मणि यत्. टू बी गॉन, टू बी प्रैक्टिस्ड, etc. Charya, going about, moving, walking about, driving, or going in a carriage. Rath, unadi. Course, motion, as in sahacharya. Behavior, conduct, deportment. Practice, performance, observance. Regular performance of all rites or customs. Eating, a custom, usage. Pervading, visiting. Going about. Behavior, conduct. Brahmacharyam, religious studentship. The life of celibacy passed by a Brahmana boy in studying the Vedas. The first stage or order of his life. Similar quotation is there in Kathopanishad. Yadichanto brahmacharyan charanti tatte padam sangrahena bravimi om iti etat. Kathopanishad. A religious study, self-restraint, celibacy, chastity, abstinence, continence. Charanti. Char. Lat prathama purushaha bahuvachanam. Char, charang, gatau, bhakshane cha. To go, to walk, to eat, to graze. Bhadi. प्रथमगणीयः परस्मैपदी सकर्मकः सेट. अहम ते तत्पदम संग्रहेण प्रवक्षे. अहम अस्मत् सर्वनाम प्रथमा एकवचनम. ते युष्मत् सर्वनाम अत्र चतुर्थी एकवचनम. संग्रहेण संग्रह पुल्लिंगम तृतीया एकवचनम. संग्रहः सीजिंग ग्रास्पिंग टेकिंग. प्रज्वाल्य तत्र चैवाग्नि मकरोत् पाणिसंग्रहम. दिस इज इन रामायण. Clenching the fist, grasp, grip, reception, admission, guarding, protection, favoring, propitiating, entertaining, supporting, storing, accumulation, gathering, sangrahena, collecting, governing, restraining, controlling, conglomeration, conjunction, agglomeration, a kind of sanyoga, inclusion, comprehension, compilation, sangraha, compilation, epitome, summary, abridgment, compendium, sangrahena pravakshante, sum, amount, totality. So different meanings. प्रवक्षे. प्रवच प्र प्लस वच धातोः आत्मनेपदिनः लृटि उत्तमपुरुषः एकवचनं. वच वचं परिभाषणे. टू स्पीक, टू टेल, टू टॉक. अदादिः द्वितीयगणीयः परस्मैपदी. द्विकर्मकः अनिट्. द आत्मनेपदी रूपं प्रवक्षे इज आर्षम्. ओवरऑल मीनिंग. वेदविदः यत्पदम् अक्षरं वदन्ति, that state or status which those who know Vedas call as unscratchable, immutable. Vitaragaha yatayaha yatpadam vishanti. That state or status which is attained by those who are free of all affections and afflictions, ragaha, and those who exercise restraint, yataya. Yat padam icchantaha vitaragaha yatayah brahmacharyam charanti. That state or status aspiring which people observe celibacy, that is, stay focused on the Supreme and observe self-sameness. Aham te tat padam sangrahena pravakshe. I shall delineate summarily on that state or status. छंदो विश्लेषण. यदक्षरं वेदविदो वदन्ति. एकादश अक्षराणि. एका द्वे एका, द्वे द्वे एका, एका द्वे एका, द्वे द्वे मात्राः. जत जग गणाः. विशन्ति यद्यतयो वीतरागाः. एकादश अक्षराणि. एका द्वे एका, द्वे एका एका, द्वे द्वे एका, द्वे द्वे मात्राः. जभत गग गणाः. दिस इज सिमिलर टू उपेन्द्र वज्र. यदिच्छन्तो ब्रह्मचर्यं चरन्ति. एकादश अक्षराणि. एका द्वे द्वे, द्वे द्वे एका, एका द्वे एका, द्वे द्वे मात्राः. यत जग गणाः. तत्ते पदं संग्रहेण प्रवक्षे. एकादश अक्षराणि. द्वे द्वे एका, द्वे द्वे एका, द्वे द्वे एका, द्वे द्वे मात्राः. ततत गग गणाः. अस्मिन् अष्टमे अध्याये एकादशे श्लोके उपजाति छन्दः. स्वाध्यायः, notes of self study. The phrase Vedavidaha yat padam aksharam vadanti suggests that some quotation in Vedas speaks of aksharam padam. Maybe Nighantuhu will help locate that readily. In the Nighantuhu available at this particular link, the word aksharam is shown in two lists as one of the 75 Vangnamani in Adhyaya 1, Khandaha 11, as one of 100 Udakanamani in Adhyaya 1, Khandaha 12. This suggests that in Vedas, the word aksharam has two contexts. One is linguistic, Vangnamani. Another is as adjective of water, also Udakanamani. This does not throw much light on the significance of the mention of aksharam padam here, especially in the context of Vedas. But it became a good prompt for me to browse through the Nighantu, the first thesaurus of world literature. I wonder whether I would have browsed through the Nighantu if there was no prompt like this. I am thankful to the Almighty for arousing this thought. The word aksharam in Vedavidaha yat padam aksharam vadanti brings to mind aksharam brahma paramam in 8-3. Together, one can say that the aksharam padam referred to here is brahma padam. I have noted the meaning of the word padam as state, status. The aksharam padam is that state of consciousness which is best qualified by the adjectives aksharam, paramam, and is itself the Brahma. In the Vitaragaha yatihi brahmacharyam charan, not necessarily Vedavid, make one eligible. Vitaragaha, one who is Vitaragaha, who is yatihi, and who is brahmacharyam charan. Make one eligible to understand, realize, and attain the aksharam brahmapadam. Shubhamastu.